All right, I'm here, ROP Center here in Salinas, California. Joseph Russell's class. He teaches automotive, and got Brad Raz up on his lift, just detailing the bottom, getting ready for a photo shoot. And see all these right here, Joseph? See what I did is had all these chrome plated, and then put these purple caps. Still some of these because I lost some, so I had to put on my license plate and stuff like that. Each one of these have purple caps in the fenders, and so you can clear hair, and that's what judges look for, with all this little small details. So that's why I went with purple pinstriping.
Yeah, my Sanchez always appreciate it.
I can't
Yeah,
believe
no, I-
purple pinstriping underneath the pan. That's like next.
That's my point. I see
And
no.
that's what judges look for, is all that work. Yeah, so basically, I just want to wipe down the whole bottom and then just spray paint this part of it and then all the way. I really appreciate it. So that's why I want you to participate in the car show. Yeah. Because when I videotaped it, I'm going to put it on YouTube. And not just blow me up, but blow you guys up on social media.
That's cool. Yeah, it's a huge honor. But most importantly, great experience for everyone that understands. No pun intended.
So just to give you that 411 on this, my dad and I built this. I was 20 years old, 21 when I bought this. And from scratch, I didn't know how to work on cars. I just learned by my father, reading the Volkswagen magazines, and just started putting this together. And the result is, about 4 years, me and my father finished this whole thing. We had the body off from the floor pan. I was in the backyard sandblasting the whole floor pan from top to bottom, prepped it up with metal conditioner, and then primed it. And then my friend came back, and this was all done in the backyard, and he sprayed it raspberry. And then the body was at the body shop being worked on. And then once that got done, then I kind of like putting it back together and everything. So this car like went through my own assembly line, like an actual dealership center line, It went through the whole process, so everything was all new and brand new stuff. You gotta be on the video, Joseph.
I found some image block. But it's a spinal. See how this one works?
see, I'm just cleaning underneath and getting ready for a photo shoot.
Hey guys, what happened to the tape that was there?
Huh?
The tape?
Tell you guys about what's going on here.
Yeah, the blue
It's
tape.
the blue container over here. This side.
Underneath the table.
Under the table on top of the blue container.
So what we did is, because it's the nose, come take a look. Come take a look over here in the front. So what he did, he scuffed it, but, and then along with the grinder, the electric one, what it is smooth it out so that when he puts that primer,
No bond it, bond it.
is that self-etching? I don't think so.
Yeah, with the judge's view, because the car's not high enough.
water.
If they're up on jack stand, they have a piece of carpet, they lay.
I don't want these.
And then, usually because when I actually watched them and then learned
Hey,
from
does this open up
what
the
they look
back?
for, but they have a sheet. In each section of the car, there's worth so many points.
Okay.
And if they say any flaws or anything that they don't like, they're marking down. Yeah, so it's like 50 points, and they'll mark you down. And then they'll tabulate the engine, the trunk, the interior, the engine, and all that. And then they total the points up. And that's how they go for who wins best of show. Technically, well, at the Volkswagen show, they're only 30.
Oh, yeah.
So just to let you know, I don't know what that total points added up, but every VW in Northern California and Southern California, I won that show. So I get money, and big trophy, one of the trophies, I got 7 trophies, and $300, and a trip to Canada. So that's why I built this car for the show, because you get all the exposure, the money, the rewards, and then once you get all that popularity, then the magazine starts coming to you and start asking, hey, we want to do a photo shoot in your car, and then they leave the solution. They pay for everything and stuff like that, so it doesn't come out of my pocket, and then I just buy magazines, and what I do is I hire the model that poses with it, she'll meet me at the car show, I'll set up a booth right next to the car, and you can take pictures of her in the car, and then you get an autograph poster, magazine, or calendar, whatever I make. So the girl that's gonna be on this photo shoot, she's gonna be on the cover, so I'm gonna have her come to a few shows, have her autograph the magazine, and then sell it, so I make a little money, then, of course, she's on my shirts and stuff like that, on my apparel, yeah, I sell all of that stuff, yeah. That's cool, sure. So this is the ROP Center, and I got Bad Raz on the lift. A good friend of mine teaches here at the ROP Center, Joseph Frosto, and he's allowing me to use the lift so I can clean underneath the Bad Raz, undercarriage, and do some touch-up painting. And got a photo shoot next weekend. I'll be in Huntington Beach. There's Bad Raz.